Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought this great DIY for you guys, a mini cart. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I'm gonna take A4 size paper sheet of blue color. You can choose any type of color of your choice. The first step is to make circles. I'm using a scotch tape to make the circles. You can choose any round object to make the circles. I'm gonna make 4 circles on the paper of equal size. And until I am making the circles, I am giving you a reminder that do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Here you can see that the 4 circles are done, and then cut it out. Make sure to cut them finely. So we are having 4 circles, and what we are gonna do, now we are gonna fold all the circles into the half like this, as I am doing. I'm folding all the circles because we are going to make a square shape card, not of circular card. Repeat the same process for the rest of the circles and fold them into the half. Now you can see that the folding is almost done, and now we are going to stick these circles together. How we will stick these circles? Like, place all the circles one by one on each of them. The one circle should be horizontal and the one circle should be vertical, and apply glue on this area to stick both of the circles together. The sticking of the 2 circles is done. Now we are going to stick the third one. Repeat the same process. The one circle should be in the horizontal order and the second one should be in vertical order. Apply glue on the edge like this and put the another circle on this surface. Now it's turn of the last one. It is also very easy. Simply apply the glue on this circle on the whole surface of the circle as I am applying, and then place it on the surface of the other circles. So yes, as you can see that the sticking of our card is done. Now you have to fold the card as I am folding in the same order like this, by which the card will get locked. Simply insert the last one corner into the card like this, and your card will get automatically locked without any glue stick or adhesive. This will be the look of your card, and now we are gonna make the outlining of the card. And until I am making the outline, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Do support my channel so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys, which will make your home look more elegant. And here you can see that our card is almost done. This is the simplest way to make this super cool card. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Allah Hafiz.